What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first time watching. I hope you enjoyed today's training, which I've got right here. The agency space is getting crowded. It's getting noisy. There's echo chambers telling you all sorts of different things. This training is designed to trim the fat away and show you how to build an AI-powered ad agency that can make you $5,000 to $10,000 per month, and maybe even more depending on where you're at in your agency journey right now. But this is a great place to get started. Welcome to the channel. My name is Sam Carlson. This channel is dedicated to helping agencies make more money, help them trim the fat, get rid of the complexities. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see more fire content like this. I hope you enjoy it. All right, so the title of today's presentation is how to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month without all the guesswork, trial and error that comes with an online business. Now, this is not your typical offer that you hear about in the agency world where they tell you to go out and sell really, quite frankly, boring things like missed call text back, or maybe they tell you to go out and sell websites, which people have heard that, and then they tell you go out and sell it for $97 a month. Well, you got to make a lot of sales calls to really build any kind of business. $97 a month is not a good fee to charge. You need to be up at the $497 and above mark to really make this business fun and to make it work. And also you need to not have boring offers that people are very reluctant to pay for. What this model is all about is something that customers will always want to pay you for, which is what? New customers. Okay? And this is the business in a nutshell. Go to local businesses, get them more customers, and then they will pay you every single month. All right, but how are you going to do that? Well, you're going to offer them Facebook or Google ads, but you're not going to do it in the traditional sense. Okay, why? Well, you're not selling a traditional manual service-based SMA. What you're doing is you're selling software, and you're selling software that makes it super easy to run ads. In fact, it's so easy that they can use it to run ads themselves. That way, you're not even fulfilling, and they are paying you for access to that software. It's almost like they're paying you rent. Okay, now there's a big gaping question out there. Why would they continue to pay you month to month? I mean, it's a cool software, that's great, but why do they really pay you? Because this software gets results. All right, that's the big thing, and you're going to see that in just a minute. Now, if you've been trying to build an online business for any length of time, okay, but you've been having people resistant to buying, it's probably because you've been selling some of that boring stuff. But you also need to understand that not only is this a good offer, but it's totally doable. I mean, brand new people are getting results even within their first 2-week trial of the platform. If you're more experienced, this is not just for people that are starting brand new businesses. These pros are transforming their heavy agencies into software-driven agencies, and they're getting awesome results like the ones you see on the right. Okay, now before we move too far into me demonstrating how the software works and how you'll use it to get results, this is not like drop shipping where you have to set up complicated platforms or hold inventory. This is not boring selling websites and basically making very little profit margins. You're making great profit margins, and you're doing it at scale. The big goal here, the thing that you should be really excited about, is not just getting paid once. It's getting paid over and over and over from the same customer, but then being able to take that same thing you did for one customer and then clone it over and over and over again. At UpHex, we say create once, sell 1,000 times or more if you can. Why not? Right? And the cool thing is the more you sell, the better your profit margins go, which makes this an entirely amazing opportunity, an amazing business model. So now let's jump over and I'm going to show you how this works. So what makes this agency model so awesome is because people don't just pay you one time for it, they pay you over and over and over again. That is the goal, monthly recurring revenue. So why would they do that? Well, it's because you're going to help them get a bunch of new customers for their business, and businesses will always pay you for new customers. So the first place you're going to go to accomplish this goal is to go to the UpHex template library, okay? And in here, you're going to see a bunch of different categories. So automotive, beauty, spas, building repairs, all of these different categories. Now, a category is not where you want to focus. What you want to do is you want to drill down and you want to find different niches. So let's say we pick the med spa space, for example. Then we're going to drill down to these different niches where we've got things like body contouring, brows and lashes, cosmetic procedures, cryotherapies, whatever it is. Okay, these businesses will pay you a good amount of money. They'll pay you anywhere from $300 a month up to $1,000 a month if you're doing it as a software, and even more if you do it as a service. But let's say right now we're like, okay, well, we've been really interested in the cryotherapies space here. So we're going to click on cryotherapies, all right? And then you're going to go into the UpHex ad template library. Now, here is what's cool. You've got Google ads, you've got Facebook ads, all ready to go. Now, UpHex has over 1,000 ad templates that are click and go ads. They are ready to go. And here's what's really cool. Let's go and we'll click on this Cryo T-Shock one, for example. We'll click preview. All right. And what you're going to see is the ad copy, the offer, all of the targeting, everything that you're going to need to make this campaign really work. Now, I will tell you, most agencies who run ads for local businesses spend a ton of time learning what ad copy is going to work, what offers are going to work, what targeting they should be using, the technical setup. That takes people a long time to learn, right? All of that is included in every single campaign. So we're going to go ahead and select this ad, because what it's going to show us is all of the technical setup and everything baked into this campaign. So we've got our ad copy there. We've got all of our targeting. Everything is in here. There's our targeting. Everything is in here and ready to go. And all you have to do is go in and click import into my account. Okay, that's how simple this really is. So you're just going to go through the template library, you're going to find your niche, and then you're going to go through and find proven ads. If I could spend 10 seconds on this, I will just tell you, in order for you to feel confident that you can deliver results to these local businesses, you're going to need to know that when you choose a campaign, that there's some backing behind it. UpHex has a proven algorithm that creates templates over and over again that just produce. And you don't have to take my word for it. I'll throw a couple things up here on the screen. Every single time people come in, they talk about our results. They talk about why not only is our tool awesome, but the results that we can get for their customers, that's what really makes them stand apart. And for you to be successful, I'm sorry, you're going to need to be able to deliver results, and you'll do that with the library. Okay, so that's the first thing. You've got the UpHex template library. You're going to create your own small library of ads and resell those over and over and over again. All right, what else do we got for you? Well, let's go to the AI tools. AI is obviously a big part of what's going on, and you know, it's an awesome tool. And what would you use these AI tools for? Well, there's a couple things. Let's say you go through the template library and there's a really niche campaign and we don't have it. Well, you could come in and create a custom ad, use our AI, and it will build a custom template for you that follows our best practices and that uses our algorithm to create those ads. Or let's say you wanted to run ads to get leads for your own agency. Well, you could use this as well. So let me go ahead and we'll do a quick demo here. I'm going to copy and paste here so you don't have to watch me type. So give me 1 second. Okay. So for this example, we're going to do med spa, cool sculpting, women interested in body, non-surgical solutions to weight loss, and then describe the product. Cool sculpting, a non-surgical solution to fat loss. We click Facebook ads and then we click create template, and your template is being generated. And give it just a couple minutes and it will load and create you a custom campaign. All right, so it just got done building. We've got everything here. Let's go ahead and walk through it. So we've got the title. It's a cool sculpting deal. That's what we decided to do for the example. We go over to the ad text, okay? And here we've got the headline, the link description, all the body copy, okay? The offer, everything else, the call to action. We're going to go to add media, okay? And you could add different images or video if you want to. Just click and upload those and you're good to go. Completion info, so your lead form, it's all done. Everything is ready to go. The targeting, you're good to go. All right? So really the AI tools give you the power to control a lot of different things, how you grow your agency and how you get customers for your agency. Now, the last thing is, okay, so we've got awesome ads, whether we're going to the library or we're making them ourselves. Well, what do we sell to these customers? Let me show you how easy this thing is. All right, so once you have your ads ready to go, okay, then you're gonna give your clients access to this account right here, okay? Manage ads, and then all they have to do is click Facebook and Instagram. Let's say we're gonna run Facebook ads. And then they'll go in and they'll see categories just like you did, but these ones are for them only, okay? They'll click on body contouring, for example, and then they're going to see the ads that you've selected for them to use. All right. Now there's no real learning here. Like they don't have to learn. They just got to go, oh, cool. I want to use this one. I'm going to go ahead and select it. All right. And then here's what's really cool. So for example, we're going to go to the city name. Now watch right over here. This is why templates are so powerful. Okay. We're going to go to Boise. This is where I live. And notice how it autofills. Isn't that cool? So everything that is ABC Clinic, I've done this a couple times, as you can see. There we go. Now, all of these custom values are going to get created in the ad. And your customers can see what the ad's going to look like right here. All right. And then we would tell our customers to put in, for my niche, which was chiropractic and med spas, I'd say $40 a day. Depending on your niche, it could be $20, $30, $40 a day. You put in your website and then launch campaign. You guys, just like that, your customers can create their own ads and they don't even have to learn Facebook ads. They just put in the information they already know, put in a budget and their website and launch. We have a ton of people that always say, we thought it was going to be hard for our clients to learn how to do this or even want to do this. And then boom, they do it the first time, they show them and people are blown away. And on demo calls, I would always get people going, wow. That's amazing. You just replace your high fee agency retainer. That is why this model is so incredible. All right, so hopefully that's giving you the big idea, that's getting you excited and seeing why businesses will pay you month after month. If so, I would recommend that you start that trial, that you get that course, and that you take advantage of this opportunity to grow your online business. And I will see you on the inside.